Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the NVENC or AMD encoder error in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main OBS interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, look for and click on Settings. This will open the settings window where you can configure all aspects of your OBS Studio setup. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left panel with different categories. From this left panel, click on Output. This section is crucial because it controls how OBS processes and encodes your recordings and streams, which is exactly where the NVENC or AMD encoder settings are managed. Clicking on Output will display all the relevant encoding options in the main area of the settings window. Now, at the top of the output settings, you'll see a field labeled Output Mode. Right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available output modes. From the list that appears, select Advanced. This mode gives you more control over your encoding settings and allows you to access the specific encoder options that will resolve your error. Switching to Advanced mode unlocks additional configuration options that aren't available in the Simple mode. Before closing the settings window, it's important to save your changes properly. In the bottom right corner of the settings window, you'll see two buttons, Apply and OK. First, click the Apply button. This ensures that your new output mode selection is saved immediately. After clicking Apply, wait just a moment for the settings to register. Then, click the OK button to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. And that's it. You've successfully configured your output settings to fix the NVENC or AMD encoder error in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.